Hey guys, we're going to talk about probability and combinations. Okay, combinations is a grouping of items in which order does not matter. Okay, so permutations, order did matter. Combinations are when it does not matter. Our example here is, there are 6 ways to order 3 items, but they're all the same combination. So if we look at permutations, you can have ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. Okay, there's 6 of them. But each one is just a combination of A, B, and C. Okay? So our combination formula, we still have the N and we still have the R. So N is still my total, R is what we're choosing. So our formula is N factorial divided by R factorial times N minus R factorial. So the only difference between the combination formula and the permutation formula is this R factorial in the front of your denominator. That's the only difference. Okay, so for our first example, we are saying Katie's going to adopt kittens from a litter of 11. How many ways can she choose a group of 3 kittens? Okay, so our very first step is to determine, okay, well, does order matter? Okay, so is it permutation or combination I should use? Well, the order does not matter because the group Kitty, Smokey, and Tigger is the same as Tigger, Kitty, and Smokey. So it's combination. So when order does not matter, it's combination. And then we're just going to use our formula for step 2. Okay, so we have 11 kittens and we are choosing 3. So it's 11 factorial over, remember the R factorial in the front, times 11 minus 3 factorial. So if I work that out, I get 3 factorial times 8 factorial in my denominator. And now I'm just going to write it all out. So 11 times 10 times 9 all the way down to 1 over, okay, 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. And that's multiplied to the 8 factorial, which is 8 times 7 times 6 all the way down to 1. So if I'm looking at a numerator and denominator, 8 divided by 8 is 1, 7 divided by 7 is 1, 6 divided by 6 is 1, so on and so on. So all of these cancel each other out. And I'm left with 11 times 10 times 9, so I just wrote it here again, over 3 times 2 times 1. And before I calculate, all I'm going to do is simplify. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now I have 11 times 5 times 3, and 1 is left in my denominator. So my answer is 165. Okay, so some things to remember. Combination, okay? This is when order does not matter. It's the same formula as permutation except for this R factorial in your denominator that is added. Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys.